Now I think I found the cause why the switches fail, and over time this mechanism goes when it's shut. You engage this switch. Now see this path over here. Now if it closes and opens quite a number of times, the path will become marred. Actually, look at the tracks that the switches um, make. So it corrodes the terminals. So over time, it will actually degrade the switching capability. So you need to replace your trunk switch, let's say over 2 years, I think 3 years. So that's the time that the switch will fail. You could actually clean off the terminals, but yeah, I guess I haven't the first time that I have seen this type of trunk switch. So I bought a replacement and just repaired the thing. Instead of repairing it, I just I just replaced it. But I think this is the culprit. If the contacts corrode over time, the trunk switch will fail, and you might not get a trunk open um, indicator in your dashboard, and your trunk light will fail to light up. So that's the cause.